Hi, and welcome back to the channel. If you've seen my previous video about the integration between Pixelmator Pro and Final Cut Pro, you already know that after removing an object from a video, you can export it and bring it back into your timeline. Pixelmator Pro only exports in MP4, which isn't ideal if you're working with professional codecs. To get a ProRes file instead, there's a simple workaround, and it involves using Apple Motion. Let me show you how. Imagine you've just removed an object from your clip and you want to bring it back into Final Cut Pro in ProRes format. Press Command E to open the export window, and from the Format drop-down menu, choose Motion Project. Set your desired frame rate, give your file a name, and hit Return or click Export. Pixelmator will create a folder with the name you chose. Inside it, you'll find a subfolder called Media and an Apple Motion project file. Double-click that file, and your clip will open directly in Motion exactly as you edited it in Pixelmator. Now, press Command E again to export from Motion. In the Settings tab, choose the ProRes variant you prefer, click Next, select where you want to save the file, and confirm with Save. Your ProRes clip is now ready to be imported in Final Cut Pro. If you found this content helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching.